Stationery items name.
Pencil. Pencil means pencil. Eraser. Eraser means rubber. Sharpener. Sharpener means pencil cutter. Pen. Pen means kalam. Ink. Ink means स्याही. Paper cutter. Paper cutter means कागज कटर. Stapler. Stapler means stapler. Ruler. Ruler means मापक. Red ink. Red ink means लाल स्याही. Blue ink. Blue ink means नीली स्याही. Calculator. Calculator means calculator. Tape cutter. Tape cutter means tape cutter. Gum stick. Gum stick means gum stick. Paper tape. Paper tape means कागज का टेप. Stapler pin. Stapler pin means stapler pin. Book. Book means किताब. Paper. Paper means कागज. Paper clip. Paper clip means paper clip. Water colors. Water colors means आभ रंग. Drawing pin. Drawing pin means drawing pin. U-clip. U-clip means U-clip. Colors. Colors means रंग. Paint brush. Paint brush means paint brush. Compass. Compass means प्रकार. Magnifying glass. Magnifying glass means आवर्धक लेंस. Highlighter pen. Highlighter pen means highlighter pen. Ink pad. Ink pad means स्याही कागज. Stamp. Stamp means मोहर.